My name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers and the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, and today we're going to have a little bit of fun. These are items I received from PandaHall Selected, and the link for their main site you'll be seeing right now. Their logo is going to be on the screen the whole video, and that way you can find them. They're everywhere online. You can find them at their official mail order site, of course. They have a Twitter account, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and Pinterest, and all of those links are going to be below the video. And there's also a discount coupon code for you guys for watching this video, and also for making purchases, obviously for making purchases. And the discount code is SWEET. Don't you love it? Sweet. And so today I've gotten some washi tape, and I've gotten some stencils, and then I also got this soft cover traveler's notebook cover, and I'm going to use that to make notes for my videos on. Now I got out regular paper, 8.5 by 11. I'm not sure that's quite big enough. This is from China, so it may take A4, and so I got some A4 paper out as well, so we'll give it a try both ways. We're going to try out the stencils with vintage photo and a brush, and then I'll put out some samples of the washi tape on the paper so you can see what's on each roll. And then every item and the item code will be listed under the video as well. I don't have the names right in front of me, but I have the links in my computer, you know, where they belong, and forgot to print them out. So I'm sorry about that. Reading you item codes is not going to help you anyway, probably. So all of that, the specifics on these products will also be listed below the video. Okay, so the first thing that I want to try out are the stencils. I love stencils. As you guys know, I stencil in the back of all of my writing cards and tags and things like that. So I thought, well, I'll get some new ones. Oh, and they even sent me a little ring to put them on. They all have holes in the corners, so that's nice. Little hole in the corner so that you can put them on a ring. And they're numbered as well. That's even better. Let's get them out here. I got them out of the package, but I haven't looked at them yet individually. So there's my whole stack. There's a whole bunch. Get this paper out of the way, or plastic out of the way. So before we put them on the ring, let's go ahead and take a look at a few. Let me see. I've got some black paper. Let's use that. So here are some of the stencils. Pretty cool. They're not mandala stencils, even though some of them could be used for that. But I like this flower one already, as far as thinking ahead to using on my cards. And I like this one a lot too, and I haven't even got halfway through. There's 35 stencils in this package. Of course I dropped it. So I'm just going to show you a couple to give you an idea of what kind of stencils come with this particular SKU number. Okay, so they're all very different. That's good. And I can see myself using quite a few of them already, and I haven't even gotten past number 30. So let's try out a couple. Put my paper away. Of course, I had to put it right back where it goes. You guys know me. So let's try out. Let's try out this flower-looking one. And oh, here's one that's even more flower-like. It's got more detail. Let's try that one. That way we can get a better idea. I'm sorry, if I said 35, I meant to say 36. There are 36 stencils in this kit. I'm going to set them aside in such a way that I can put them back on in order, because they must be in order. It's imperative. Alright, let me move these two out of the way. Let's get out our vintage photo. Now if there's any problem with this, it'll probably be my hands and not the stencil. Vintage photo it up right away. Oh, let me put this up here. I like my Tim Holtz Meaty Matte. Oh, this is working really nice. They're thicker, so you see it's not buckling up when I use it, so that's nice. Well, there you go, and that's my fault with the lines around the edge. I got a little carried away. That's a very nice stencil. I like that one a lot. Number 32. Let me put that one back. Let's just try out number 36. That way I don't have to worry about putting anything back in order. Oops, I got a little carried away right there. I should have tapped it a little bit. And I moved it. There was a little piece of the swirl right there and it went little swirlies. Well, it turned out alright even though I moved it. It's a little blurry. That was me, not the stencil. So the stencils turned out really well. I don't think I need to show you every single stencil. I think you guys know how stencils work. So let's flip this over and let's take a look at the washi tape. And I'll put a little piece out for each one so that you can see it. Now, I haven't opened this ahead of time, and it looks like it's plastic, kind of hard plastic. So you may have to excuse my spasness. Oh look, no, it opens right up. You gotta love it. Okay, so now these go in size from little tiny thickness all the way. See how thin that one is? And it's got writing on it. That's nice. All the way up to, what is that, a 1 inch? And there's a great big one over here. They just get bigger and bigger. So there's this size. We'll measure them in just 1 second. That's another one of these. And then there's this great big one here, and it's really cool. It's got a map on it. Map of the world. I just did a travel journal too. So, let's see. This is a 2 inch. Yeah, 2 inch. I'm going to say 1 inch. Yep, 1 inch. Half. And then one size smaller than that, it's going to be a 1/4. And then that's going to be an 1/8. No, a little bit more. A little bit more than an 1/8. Okay, so let's take a look at each of these. Oh, there's the end. I think. Could have been a line. Nope, it's the end. Seems like good strong washi tape. Maybe we'll only do a couple. We could be here all day. Here's a piece of this one. And I'll hold it up to the camera, don't worry. Oh, it's books and different things. Very nice. Let's do the globe. Oops, that shows you how well I can tear washi. That's probably why I cut it usually. Here's one of the little narrow ones. Or here is the little narrow one. It's got text on it. That is so nice. The text is small enough that I cannot read it, but it is real text. It's not illegible text. And let's do one of the middle ones. Oh, look, this one looks like tickets. Let's do that one. The ends are easy to find. So that's always good. Let's do 2 tickets. I like tickets, so I don't want to use up too many. And there's a couple of tickets. Okay. Very nice tape. I'm going to do it slow and see if I can get the camera to stay focused. You see the little bitty one is just like a little line, but it's text. So those are all excellent, excellent buys. I can't wait to use them in projects. These are all images from Paris. So like women. And oh, they're all women, different women, whoops, in different outfits. Get rid of that little piece of plastic. This one's also text. This one is a nice plaid. You can always use a plaid washi. I like these the best of all the washies. And there's our tickets. Okay, so that seems like a really good deal. And the stencils, there's 36 of them, very inexpensively. Okay, let's move these out of the way. Let's take a look at the Traveler's Notebook cover. Well, it's bigger than a Traveler's Notebook, but it holds your paper in with an elastic, I do believe, if I remember correctly from the description. Like I said, I haven't opened these. Oh, this seems nice. Let's see. There's a long cord on it. Oh, it's got a nice texture to it. Oh, you know what? It's ring bound. How nice. So you just undo it like you would any Traveler's Notebook closure. See if I can get it figured out. Probably should have done this one ahead of time. Let's see. There it goes. This is just like when we make our policy closures. You know, you wrap it around this piece here. I forgot it was ring bound. Oh, got a nice hard cover on the inside. And it's not cover. It comes with black paper. How cool. Then I can use my white Jelly Roll pen on it. Now, I would write on this to show you that it's real paper, but I don't want to write on it because then I'm going to use up one page of my really cool, nice black kind of textured paper. So the closure goes through this heart. As you can see, the 2 strings go through here, in through the eyelet, and then they go around this way. And it's a good size. Let me measure how big the paper is. I was thinking I was going to have to take paper and fold it in half. That's why I had gotten paper out. I totally forgot. It shows you how good my memory is. So the paper is 6.5 by 9 1/4. I don't know if that's a standard size or not. I'm not very good at remembering the sizes of paper, but it's nice that it comes full of paper and you don't have to worry about the thumb things on either end. Looks like you just pull it open. It pulls open very easily. As you guys know, I have issues with my hands. If I'm able to pop it open that easy, then you will be too. Closes right back up. I think this would be a really good buy. I think it was only about $10, and it's a nice felt So you don't have, see, it's still flexible because it's the paper inside. And then you just wrap this around a couple times. I've got the heart upside down, I realize that. Wrap it around twice, loop it around your heart, and you're good to go. Okay, I didn't do that very well, but okay. So, like I said, all the links will be below for the items themselves, and also for all of their social links and the website link, and then also the discount code of SWEET, just in case you don't remember now that I've said it. Let's see, 4 times SWEET. Say it 4 times for you. And this is, oh, there's some stickers in here too. That's nice. They give you some stickers in case you want to use it like a, what do you call those? Bullet journals. That's a nice bonus. I didn't even notice that it was sitting underneath. So there's some nice stickers. Very nice. Very nice that those come with that. I had no idea. So I'm going to sign off for now. Here's our washi. Here's our stencils. And the ring. They come with a nice big ring to put them on. And so that's it for this video. And I will see you in the next video. And that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Okay, bye-bye.